In mid-January, we embarked on a one-night winter camping trip on the Western Uplands backpacking trail in Algonquin Park. With the temperatures dipping to -16 overnight and 8 inches of snow, this would prove to be a wintry adventure that would put all of us to the test. We would be trekking into the park until reaching a water source near Gasquois Lake, where we would set up our camp for the night. So we got everything packed up, got the boys ready to go. Western Uplands Trail. So we got about 5 kilometers to hike in till we get to our site. And we're set.
You can go ahead.
All right. Oh yeah.
Still going pretty fast.
Okay, so everything's all set up. I wanted to just show you our tent setup. So here's my tent. I just set up a tarp above it. We're supposed to get quite a bit of snow, so I didn't want all the weight of the snow on the tent. And Brandon is just doing a tarp shelter. So he pretty much just tied a ridge line and did a tarp over it. And our fire is just down there a little ways. But we're all within pretty close proximity of each other. But yeah, and there's Nick's tent. Right now, just the name of the game is collecting firewood and getting water.
We got 3 more of that big coming too.
What?
What is that?
Maple.
How do you know it's maple?
Hardwood.
It's hard
he's
to
an
tell
outdoorsman, Eli.
I find it hard to tell when it's
See how soft this is?
winter.
Like it's like
Yeah.
very,
That was a spruce I cut down.
yeah, so then you feel the difference between that stuff. It's like rock hard.
Yeah.
This is what sells. Might be over.
You know what else sells? Sex.
You got snowshoes on
You
still?
don't see that on YouTube. Yet.
So far we've cut a crap load of firewood. I don't know if you can see it here, but we got a lot. We got about 5 guys cutting wood. There's an endless amount of deadfall or standing dead trees around here, so but the snow is coming down. Probably about a couple centimeters every hour. So it's supposed to be like 15 centimeters, and Pang is furiously processing wood here. What do you think, Pang?
Sorry?
What do you think?
We're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Doing pretty good.
Spirits are high.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm so thirsty. So refreshing.
Oh. What are these? Oh, did you bring those that one year when you ate like a whole box worth? I think I recall this.
Hey, take a video of me eating.
Well, it's the next morning, and it was a really cold night. I think it was around minus 16 or 17. We got a lot of snow. The snow was really weighing down the tarp that I had over my tent. So I was a little concerned about that, but everyone's okay. We had a couple of guys that had to leave last night because they were feeling pretty cold and they didn't think that it was a good idea for them to stay out. So it was just the three of us last night. But we're okay, so we're just gonna, we got a fire going here, we're just gonna boil up some water, have some tea and hot chocolate, and then probably pack up and head out. It's about an hour and a half hike out, so it'll probably take us till about, we'll probably be back to the car by about 10:30 or 11. Nick, how cold was it last night? Oh damn, those are frozen solid.